test this out today and try it together. This retails for $18.29, and I didn't mention that it is waterproof, so I tested on the back of my hand. So you can see that color. It's like a very deep brown, but you can definitely tell it's brown and not black. And as you can see, totally smudge proof. It is not gonna budge. You can cry, you can have a bad day and still look cute because your eyeliner is not gonna smudge. Okay, so I'm gonna try this out. I'm seriously so excited about it. I've been picturing doing like a really cute brown look since I got this, which was it yesterday? It feels like longer because I was just too excited. Okay, so here is how that part looks. It looks really gorgeous. I think that it's very subtle that it's brown, but it is just a slightly softer look, which I love. I feel like it looks really good on blue eyes, but I can picture this looking so gorgeous on brown eyes. And it, obviously green and every color eyes is gonna look really good on. I was just picturing blue and brown eyes, okay? Green eyes, I feel like it'll make green eyes pop too. Now we're gonna try out the stamp side. There we go. It's so cute, and then you just can super easily connect it. So I just slightly extended it, but I mostly just connected it. It's really cute. I like it. Now we're gonna do the other side. And just so I can kind of show you on this side just how subtle you can be and how fine the tip is, you could really just do the most subtle eyeliner ever, just like it is on this eye, you know? Or you can make it a little bit more dramatic like this one, but you can really customize this exactly how you want, which is awesome. So now we're just gonna pop on mascara and some falsies, and then we'll finish the look with some sort of lip color and highlight, and then we'll be done. So I'm gonna go in with my Essence Lash Princess mascara. This is my all-time favorite mascara, and it's like $5. Okay, hello. So I just put on my mascara and my falsies. These are the Auroras from First Class Beauty Co. They're so glam and so gorgeous. I'm honestly really loving the eyeliner. I don't know how much you can tell on camera that it's brown, but I can definitely tell in person that it's just a little bit more subtle. It's like a very like, what'd you do different today? You know? It's really pretty. I really like it. This is the final look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. All products are going to be listed down below, and any discount codes like for First Class Beauty Co. that's going to be listed down below too. This is limited edition, so if you're interested, make sure to take advantage now, or there's always the black one too that's also just as gorgeous. So thank you all so much for watching today's video. I love you all so much. Thank you for your constant support.